Hello. So Snake is a game that I've always loved, but I've always thought it lacked something. Where's the danger? Where's the fear? Where's the real life consequences? You eat an apple and nothing happens. Your snake gets a bit longer. Boo, boring. So let's get brainstorming. Let's jazz it up. Okay, so here's my idea. What if it's Snake, but it's played on the desktop? Yeah, okay, I see. You're not loving that. You're not loving that. What about Snake, but it's played on the desktop, and when it eats a file, it deletes it?
You're right. Get the
All right, whoa, okay, whoa, sorry. All right, well, what about Snake, but it's played on the desktop, and when it eats a file, it deletes it, and what if they are System32 files? Oh my god, what are you doing? Stop that. Is that a yes? Do they like it? Stop! Okay, so for people who don't know, System32 files are the core operating system files for Windows. Basically, they are the files that your computer needs to be a computer. Without System32 files, your computer is just a bad frisbee. So with that said, welcome to teaching children how to make a wait, hold on, wrong slide, sorry. Making Snake, but when it eats, it deletes System32 files. Okay, let's get started. All right, so how do we turn the desktop into a game of Snake? Well, if you just like drag around the apps and icons and shit like this, it kind of looks like Snake. I mean, right, kinda. But if I keep this up, I'm gonna have to change my name to RSI Bullet. So let's write code to do the dragging and shit. All right, let's start simple. Let's just drag this guy over to like here. Oh, what happened? Oh, I missed. Okay, that's my bad. Oh, yes! Yes! I'm the best programmer ever! Yeah! Alright, so ready? Hold on to your cuck chairs. We are about to ramp this shit up. Are you ready for 2 apps? Fucking PowerPoint. You're a shit app anyway. Are you ready for 2 apps? Alright, up until this point, I've just been like fucking eyeballing the position of these apps. But if we figure out how many pixels wide and tall the apps are, then we can figure out the grid that the apps are on, and then I can just be like, click and drag from this grid to this grid, which should be a lot easier. Alright, so let's give it some space. This should be our snake up here. These 4 in the top left, that's our snake. Alright, ready? Yeah, yes! Okay, that's Snake! We did it! That's Snake! It's that easy. Now if we just store a list of snake positions, then when we move, we update all those positions, then we have achieved Snake, I think. Yes! It's working! It's beautiful! Oh, no! What's going? What the fuck is that? Please, just let me go. Let me go. And this bad boy will even work on longer snakes. Hey, there we go. Looks pretty cool. Now the trick is to go around the apps. Here we go. Beautiful. And then left. Yes. And then we should go up. And then we should go up. Oh, no, not again. I can't use my mouse. No. Oh, what's up? Oh, they're all going in the folder. Oh my god. Here we go. I am so overstimulated. What the fuck is happening? God, if only I was a better programmer, this shit wouldn't happen. Why is there a weird... This video is sponsored by Boot.dev. Welcome to Boot.dev, baby. Boot.dev is like crack, but instead of making you fight a raccoon in a strip club, it just makes you really good at programming. There's no way they're gonna let me keep that in the sponsor read. Basically, they take learning to code and gamify the shit out of it. You've got XP, levels, achievements, quests, and there's even a leaderboard that shows who's the top dog. They can teach you about Python, SQL, JavaScript, Go, TypeScript, C, basically all the bangers. And they make the whole process fun and gamey and gives you that sweet dopamine. Look at this, I was playing around with it, then decided to pop a potion, which increases XP for an hour, and then locked the fuck in. And look at me go, I didn't need to do this. My sponsor obligations were already met by this point, but I was determined to get on top of that leaderboard. Patrick, I'm coming for that ass. Get ready to get wrecked. Woo! And once the hour passed, which just fucking flew by, but I was victorious. Look at this. Absolutely crushed Patrick. That's so embarrassing for him. Also, if you get stuck on a question, there's this AI bear that'll help you out, but you have to pay him in salmon, so you can't just keep spamming questions. I just love it. There's so much to love about this. Anyway, you can use code Bullet to get 25% off your entire first year of the annual plan, or you can scan this bad boy. Oh, can you get him? Can you catch him? He's doing the DVD logo thing. So close to the corner. Okay, sorry. Thank you, Boot.dev. All right, back to the video. Okay, so it seems like our main problem is not being able to control the snake. I think that's fair to say that's the problem. So let's do that. To do this, we just need to have a program listening for when we press the arrow keys and move the snake according to that. I don't know why I felt the need to explain that to you. I'm sure you understand how buttons work. So to test out the controls, I built this little obstacle course. So you just have to go like around and then through, and everything is fucked. What is happening? I didn't run into anything. I did not think, oh, here we fucking go. So dramatic. All right, so I figured out what happened. Here's the problem. Since the arrow keys can also be used to select different apps, if we click and drag a tile and press the arrow keys at the same time, it'll select multiple apps and then drag them both, and then everything is fucked from there. So pretty simple fix. We just need to use WASD instead of the arrow keys. That should be easy. Okay, here we go. Attempt 2. It hasn't completely broken yet, so better than last time. Up. Whoa, right? Ooh, down. God, I'm fucking good at this. Another problem I have is that when the snake gets kind of long, it slows down a lot. Because anytime we want to move, we have to click and drag every single app. A little workaround is instead of moving all the tiles, we technically just have to move the one from the back to the front. I'm not sure which one looks better. This one's definitely faster. I end up using both strategies from here on out. So if you see it switching backwards and forth between them, that's why. Because I'm indecisive and can't tell which one looks better. All right, with this, we're actually pretty much almost done with snake. But before we're done with snake, there's one big thing that we're missing. So it's... So the plan for apples is to have all the apples on the right here, and when we need them, we just like drag it into a random spot. All right, let's rip it. It is so fast. All right, nice, it picked it up. Oh wait, are there gaps? Why are there gaps? Oh, that's gonna break everything. There it is, there it is. All right, come on, we got this. Boom, that's 1. We're looking good, nothing's fucked so far. No gaps, the snake even got longer. We're doing well. Down, get 2. 2, it's happening. At 3, it's officially snake. That's the rule. At 3, come on. Oh, that's snake. We did it. You got snake. All right, let's add some more apples and see what happens. Oh wait, yeah, that's the last one. And now, oh my God, no. It's so fucked. That was supposed to be a little surprise. I did a whole pixel art yay thing. That took me so long. It took me ages. Here, this is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah. Fuck this. All right, moving on. Out of curiosity, I did the whole bring the last one to the front method as well to see which one looks better. What do you guys think? I'm actually not sure which one looks better. Also, this one actually, that was what the yay's actually supposed to look like. All right. Okay, now we got all the cute stuff out of the way. Let's get dangerous. Okay, so one of the there's a lot of problems with this idea, but the first one is how are we going to get the System32 files on the desktop? If I move them to the desktop, they are no longer in System32 anymore, and that's the same as deleting them. And I do want to delete them, but not when the apple appears on the desktop, but when it's eaten. So here's the plan. So pretend this is our System32 folder. We need an apple, so we choose a random file. We make a copy of it and paste it onto the desktop. So far we're safe, nothing's been deleted, we just made a copy. Then we move it to the spot it needs to be on the desktop, like the random spot the apple appears at, and whammy, we got an apple. So now when we snack on that thing, we just need to remember the original file and delete it once it's eaten. And for dramatic effect, but also because I know some of you will be like, it doesn't count as deleting it because he made a copy. The copy file on the desktop gets overwritten with a file not found image. So it's properly dead. It's a PNG. It's gone. One last thing before we let this fucking gremlin loose on my computer is it's actually not that simple to delete System32 files. Because apparently according to Windows, these files are critical to the functioning of the computer or some pussy shit like that. I'm actually not going to go into too much detail about how I did this because that is basically teaching you how to make a virus. But yeah, let's just say I figured it out. I wanted to test it out on a virtual machine before I killed my computer because I really only have one shot at this.
Wi-Fi there and
oh my God, it's the devil. What the fuck is that?
And if you'd like me to stay quiet, just
yes, oh my God, yes, I would like that. Please,
microphone
go on,
icon.
shut the fuck up. Okay, you know what? Fuck this. This is taking ages. I can't be bothered setting it up. I'm just gonna let Jesus take the wheel and whatever happens, happens. So this here will be our victim for this evening. It's an old computer I have just like lying around that I don't really use anymore. So perfect for snake food. Recording this on OBS and I'm recording this actually on an external camera because I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. All right, the only thing left to do is run it. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're on. What do we have? Fax, printer, What is that? Okay, wait, pause. I have a pause. I want to know what I'm deleting. Fax printer installer. Okay. They can have that. Honestly, I'm not worried. I'm not worried about the fax printer installer. All right, that could fuck right off. Ready? Hello? All right, it's gone, I think. Oh, it's gone. It's actually gone. Okay, all right. Fuck. What do we got next? We got X Wizard. Extensible Wizard's host process. That looks important. All right. I knew what I was getting myself into. Come on. Oh. Gone. What did that even do? I have no idea. Accessibly the on-screen keyboard. I gotta delete the on-screen keyboard. Before we delete it, let's use it one last time. On-screen keyboard. Goodbye. I loved you. All right, play. It's gone. On-screen keyboard, my boy, are you okay? Just a system file. Oh, this is just a shortcut, but it's a shortcut to nothing because it fucking gone. We didn't need the on-screen keyboard. Fuck that accessibility shit. What do we got? We got msconfig.exe. Oh, that feels spicy. It's got the admin shit on it. Like fucking big yikes. Okay. I don't want to. I used to like this computer. I don't want to. Okay, let's go for the kill. Go. It's gone. Okay. Are we alive? Yes, I think so. I think we're okay. What is this? It's a PNG. Oh, it's the hearing aid system toast icon.contrast-white.png. Oh, I know that guy. I didn't know they had PNGs in System 32. Oh yeah, here she is. Huh. This one's free. I'm not worried about this one at all. If your operating system relies heavily on a PNG to stay alive, then it's a bad operating system. What a free muncher. Boop, gone, poof. Yeah, it was right here. My snake seems to really hate the accessibility stuff. Windows Pickwood acquisition. What does that mean? Okay. You know what? Let's just fucking grip it, rip it. Bye. No idea what that was, but we seem to be still alive. Whoops. A DLL file scares me. I feel like our death is going to be on a DLL file. I don't want to. I'm scared. All right. We're going to go for the kill. Come on. Okay. I'm okay. The calculator? They're taking out the calculator? Excuse me? If I have a button for calculator. I have the calculator open and then we delete it. Oh, it's gone. Motherfucker just poof. All right. I don't need is this next one help.exe? I'm sorry, computer. I'm sorry. I'm like slowly killing it. Now it's asking for help. I'm sorry. msdxxm.oc. That could be anything. That could be fucking anything. Oh! We're still alive. Everything's still alive. Magnify. Oh, it's like the zoom in shit. Yeah, you can have that. I don't care. All right, bye. Yep, it's gone. I'm clicking. It's gone. It's dead. All right, well, files like this that I'm fucking worried about. MSSI IGN32.dll. I tell you, DLLs are scary. I'm scared. Oh, well, we gotta die sometime, right? Oh! Hello? We good? We okay? We're okay. IP configuration utility. Fuck even is that? IP config utility. You know what? I'm riding off the high of the last one. Let's just get it done. Let's just smoke it. Gone. We don't need it. The bubbles. What the fuck is this? The bubbles screensaver? No, you can't take that from me. The bubbles screensaver. Play it one last time as we salute everyone. I want to see your hands to your forehead. Give the bubble screensaver the send off he deserves. You were loved. You were loved. You know what? I don't give a fuck about what this one is. After the loss of bubbles, I don't care anymore. Good riddance, bitch. What's next? The fucking task manager? That seems like really essential. That seems like a huge problem. Oh. GG. This is for bubbles. Oh my god, we're still alive. What? That should not be true. We don't What? There's no task manager anymore. Okay. Control Shift Escape does nothing. Okay. It's really gone. That makes this computer pretty unusable, right? You really need task manager. Hold on, shit's getting spicy. Let me stop the OBS recording and start a new. Windows Mobility Center. Is that more accessibility shit? Bye. We're okay? We're okay. Is that tree.com? The fuck could that be? Attributes A. Okay, thank you. Very helpful. Whatever, let's just go for it. Bye, tree.com. Goodbye, my sweet prince. Microsoft Direct 3D OS thunk layer. This got that thunk. I don't need no thunk layer. Okay. Oh, fuck. Wait. Explorer? Oh. Explorer? Windows Explorer. This is dangerous. I think this is GG. Fuck, I don't want to. We had a good run. You and me, all the good times we shared together. Say hi to Bubbles for me. Goodbye. Oh, no. Hello? It's just a mouse. Can I like alt tab? Oh, okay. I've still got my program, which threw an error. Well, I can't task manager because that's fucking gone. There's nothing left. The Windows, the start menu doesn't do anything. Can I turn it off? I can sleep it. Hello? Oh, we're back. No, we're not back. It's still dead. I mean, there's nothing does anything. There's nothing left. Maybe if I had Task Manager, I could do something. What happens if I completely restart it? I'm just gonna hold down the power button. Yep. Okay. It's still fucked. Yeah, it's a brick. It's a fancy mouse displayer now. I can't even alt tab anymore because there's nothing open. Windows tab? Nope. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome to the Patreon battle. This is something I put on for my Patreons. So check it out if you want to join. Winner gets some free merch. Yeah, that's the video. Fuck. There goes the old laptop, which was my main computer at some point. But, you know, whatever. It's what it is. It's the cost of doing business, I guess. Yeah, this video was really fun. Let me know if you guys liked it. If you want to see more of me deleting files from System 32, I mean, I don't really have another computer that I could destroy. I guess I could buy a computer just to destroy it. That seems wasteful. But I mean, if you guys like it that much, that is something I would do. Thanks again for watching. Holy shit, that was a quick battle. Congrats to Raptor for real. I'll be in touch. Nice profile pic, by the way. But yeah, that's the video. Later.